When it comes to protecting your heart, few foods work harder than fruits and vegetables. Add more heart-healthy produce to your meal plan using some of my favorite canned foods. Canned pumpkin. Besides making delicious breads and muffins, canned pumpkin adds a subtle sweetness to chili recipes. Have a little extra left over? Add to pancake mix for a nutritional boost. Canned beans. If you generally don't love the taste or texture of canned beans as they are, transform them. Take out the food processor to make a smooth dip or hummus. Cannellini cannoli dip, anyone? Canned potatoes. These white tubers are an easy vegetable to love, but if you don't have fresh potatoes on hand, they might not make it into mealtime. Oven roast whole new potatoes with rosemary and black pepper for a satisfying side dish. For even more canned food inspiration, visit bigY.com.